Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you simple, easy and nutritious semolina tikki recipe with mixed vegetables. I have made this recipe within 10 minutes without any preparation. It's a healthy snacks and good for kids. For making this recipe, into a mixing bowl, pour in half cup fine semolina, add a medium size finely chopped onion and a medium size finely chopped capsicum. Next add a medium size finely chopped tomato and a tablespoon curd. Add 2 chopped green chili. If you are making for your kids, you can skip it. Add a teaspoon salt. Next I am going to add a masala that is called chakli masala. You can replace it with red chili powder. Chakli masala contains sesame seed. So if you are adding red chili powder, then add half a teaspoon sesame seed. It tastes better and the tikki will be more flavorful. Now add water little by little. Gradually add water and mix well. Consistency should not be thin. Give a good mix. Well combine the vegetables with semolina and curd. You can add different color capsicum so that it will look more attractive. Keep aside. Next, turn on the heat. Put a pan. Let the pan heat up. Then add a tablespoon cooking oil. Spread the oil. Then scoop some of the batter and pour in the mixture of semolina into the hot pan. It's your choice. You can make it big size like uttapa. Press lightly on the top and cook for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat until it is lightly golden color. It's one of my favorite recipe because it's easy and very nutritious. My kid also love this recipe. Almost every day I make this recipe. After 4 minutes, flip each pieces over, but make sure before flipping the bottom side should be well cooked and it is lightly golden color. If you want to make it more faster, then you can put a lid. You can give it to your kids school tiffin box. Because of the softness of this recipe, kid will definitely love it. Fry the other side for 3 to 4 minutes over medium to low heat until it is lightly golden color. It looks so appetizing. See, our yummy semolina tikki is done. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.